morning, customer. This is all station to Bowen Hill and train terminal in Bowen Hill. The next station is Roma Street. Any customer for long distance service, Cleveland, Beenleigh, Gold Coast, and Airport, please the train at next station, Roma Street station. Customer due to the track closer, bus replace train between Roma Street and Balloon. Roma Street. Between Roma Street and Balloon. Roma Street and Eagle Junction and Roma Street until the North Gate, happening until the last service tonight. Please plan your journey and translink.com.au. The next station will be Roma Street Station. Customer for the airport, please see station staff for rail bus express from Roma Street to Eagle Junction. Airport line operate between Eagle Junction and Brisbane Domestic Airport. The next station will be Roma Street Station.
Now arriving at Roma Street Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark.
Approaching Roma Street Station. Customer for Cleveland, Beenleigh, Gold Coast and Airport, please the train at the station. Customer for Beenleigh, Gold Coast and Airport, please see station staff for more information due to the track work happening into the last service tonight. Platform right hand side in direction travel. This is Roma Street Station.
Roma Street Station. Mind the gap. Arriving at Central Station. This is a Bowen Hills train, stopping all stations. Customers for the Sunshine Coast, Caboolture, Shorncliffe, Redcliffe Peninsula, Ferny Grove, Doomben or airport lines, please change trains here.
Central Station, platform right hand side in direction travel. Central Station.
Central Station. Mind the gap. Hills train, stopping all stations. The next station is Fortitude Valley. Now arriving at Fortitude Valley Station. If this is your station, prepare to disembark.
Fortitude Valley Station, platform right hand side in direction of travel.
Fortitude Valley Station. Mind the gap.
Morning customer, the next station will be Bowen Hills and train will terminate at next station Bowen Hills. All customer, please leave the train. Customer preferring group, change your service and platform. Customer would like to continue your journey to the northern line service line Kapucha, Nepal, Sunshine Coast, Redcliffe, Shorncliffe, Durban and Airport. Please make your way upstairs for rail bus replacement. The next station will be Bowen Hills. All customer, please leave the train terminate, and make sure you have all belongings with you when leaving the train.
Bowen Hill Station. This train terminates here. All customers